back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. My name is Isa, and today we are going to be doing a Geek Gear unboxing. And not just one box, a few boxes, because I have moved once again. So that means that I have racked up a few boxes, and I'm pretty sure these two are from the last 2 months, and this one is from last month's. So I figured we'd start off with these ones and then work our way down. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, I kind of want to start off with this one because there's literally nothing written on it, but I know it's a Geek Gear box because it looks like the other one. It just doesn't have the label for some reason. It's a little strange, but okay. So we open it up for you guys, and we've got the lovely green paper. Ooh, and we have a box. Let's see, let's see, let's see. And let's open this up. Oh, it's something very large. Hi, Carmen. Do you want to see what we have? It's not for you. Okay, how do I open this? Okay. Oh, it is a medallion, basically. It is a chocolate frog. There you guys are standing on a bunch of makeup palettes. But it's a chocolate frog. Legit, like, medallion. Very bling bling. Okay. I probably will never wear that, but I will find some other way of displaying this very large necklace. And moving on to the first shirt. Let's open it up, see what we've got. Ooh. It's Newt. I was like, I'm confused. Is that Harry or Newt? It's Newt, and it's got some animals, and it's got the triangle. It's really cute. I will totally wear that out and about. And then, our next item is a very red t-shirt. I do love red, own a lot of red. It's Harry! A very crazy silhouette of Harry. I love it. His messy hair and all. And then we have, ooh, a long sleeve. I love long sleeves. They're very great for sleeping in. And this one is also Newt with some of the animals, which is really, really cute. And I love the little baby blue. And it is a pretty good quality shirt. And then proceeded to change my mind. Doesn't feel as nice as they normally do. Like, these ones are definitely different material from this one. This one's actually kind of like starchy feeling. So I don't know if they starched it too much or what, but there's that. And this one is actually January's box. We're only a little bit behind. And we have the medallion is $9.99. The Newt t-shirt with the triangle is $11.99. The red shirt is $11.99, and the long sleeve is $19.99. And then we have a little print in here, and it is the Deathly Hallows, and it says the three brothers: power, longing, and humility, which is very cute. I like that. Have a ton of these. Still don't know how I'm going to display them. I'll figure it out one day. And on to the next box, which actually has the actual Geek Gear Wizardry thing, and it says handmade with love, which is very cute. And then open her up. There's no tissue in this one, but that is okay. Ooh, we've got a beanie with Luna's glasses, and it says sane. I love that, actually. That's really cute. I don't wear beanies all that often, but I absolutely love Luna, and I totally wear that. And the next thing we have is this shirt, and it says the wand chooses the wizard after Ollivander. Wand chooses the wizard, Harry. And our next shirt is with the also kind of fun letters. It says advanced potion making. I like it. I like that it's kind of like multicolored text with the potion bottles in the middle. That's really cool. And then we have, what is this? Another shirt, and it says, it's Molly, and it says, "Not my daughter, you bitch." I love that. This is such a cute shirt. It's great. Wonderful quote from Molly. That is awesome. And then we have a little letter.
We just got a letter. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. Wonder who it's from.
From Geek Gear. Let's open it. And it says, "A massive thank you from all of us at Geek Gear for subscribing to Geek Gear, the Wearable edition." This one is February, and then next month hint is you know who, and it says all that we got. That's really, really cute. I love it. And then we have another print. I always have trouble getting them out. And it says always with a little doe. How cute is that, with a heart and everything? I do love all these prints. I'm really gonna have to figure out how to display these. Well, seeing as we're gonna be in this place for a little bit longer than all the other places, I think I'll actually be able to like display everything, so that'll be good. And now on favorite part. I do love that sound. So open it up. Box is pretty good weight. Oh, and I guess I didn't get all of it. Open it up, and we've got another little letter, and we've got the green wrapping. So we'll save this one for later. And, ooh. Oh, I love this. So it's a white shirt. And what is it? It's Hogwarts. Oh, I love that. We never usually get white shirts. We usually get black shirts. But I actually really like that this is a white shirt, and it's like very simple. Simple, not real. Yeah. A very nice little bubble of Hogwarts. Oh, I really like that. I'll probably definitely get a lot of use out of that. And then, ooh. Oh, I love it. It is a Love Potion tea, and it is decaf mixed red berry fusion, hibiscus, apple spice, rose snip shells, citrus peel, and raspberry pieces. I love tea. I drink tea almost every single morning, so I'm super excited to give this a try. This is actually really cool. And then this little box is calling my name because it has, let's see, little owls on it, and it says Snowy Owl on the other side, which I didn't see. I don't want to break the box because I actually really like the packaging. So let's see. Oh, how cute! It's a little owl! Well, obviously it was gonna be a little owl. It's like a little fuzzy owl figurine. How cute is that? If some of you don't know, I actually collect little owl figurines, owl things. I have a ton of owl things in my home, so this is actually a really cute addition to my collection. So that's very nice. And then another empty pin box. Oh, okay. The pin is in the box, but it fell out of the box, which I don't understand how. This box is very much closed and the pin is on the outside, but it's fine. It's a owl pin, and he is wearing a Christmas hat. Technically February is still winter, so it's not totally off base for there to be a Christmas hat on top of the owl, but I do love that. And then we have another giant medallion. Will I have doubles? All right. Okay, so it sort of looks like the other one. It kind of looks like the other one, but this one is obviously a little bit more brassy, and the other one is more of a mirrored material. Once again, have no idea what I would do with a giant medallion, but we will find it at home amongst the other Potter things on the shelf. So there's that. All right, moving swiftly along, have, oh, another cushion cover. Actually, let's very quickly get it out of this horrible material. That was quick. And it is, what is it? Okay, so it's just kind of like a continuous pattern all around. And it's got the snake, a lion, a badger, you know, all of Hogwarts houses. So that's really cute. I really need to find inserts for my cushion covers. And then we have the same print as the other one. So I might give this to one of my other Potter friends. And then we have the little card. So moving swiftly along, we've got the necklace, which is $9.99. The owl plush is $7.99. And the Love Potion tea, which I'm a super big fan of, is $4.99. The print is $4.99. The cushion is $11.99. The owl pin is $4.99, and the t-shirt is $11.99. Well, that was actually very, very cute. I think my favorite thing for sure was the little owl plush, only because I collect owls and it just kind of goes with my collection. And a good second would be the tea, because I love tea and very excited to try this. This might be my evening tea tonight, you know, fall in love and all of that. So that is actually all that I have for you guys. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to become part of our weird little family and to click that little bell notification so that you know every time that I upload. And as always, I love you guys very, very much. And until next time, bye!